Hey guys, this is a short little video update for my ATLTF all-terrain lawn tractor forum build-off tractor, the Dirty Rat. It's right behind me. Let's take a look. The last video, we tore out the hydro rear end on this tractor and all the pieces to it, like the little two small round holes there for the radiator or cooling unit for the hydro, but there it is. 2300 is installed. I got 4 points of contact holding it in. Ear on each side on the back axle. Right here in front of the brake is the front left. The bolt on top is from the front right. Just had to put a small notch in the frame for the brake. I think that's going to work great. Matter of fact, it's actually going to be easier to service on the Sears than it ever was on the Murray. Not finished yet. We'll take this flat stock here and I'm gonna make a belt guide for around the transaxle, help keep the belt on. And what are these pieces for? I can only imagine. But that won't be used for probably another month or so when I take this back out and lock it. So there's a quick little update. It's coming along just fine. Hadn't worked too much this month because it's been very cold. It was like 8 degrees this morning. But hope to have another update soon. Have a good day.